Hello my friends, I have a new Moreart diorama which I'm going to build. I think we all remember the McDonald's Moreart diorama. Here it is, take a closer look. I was a big fan of that diorama and now there is a new one from Moreart. So we're going to see what's in this box and then we're going to build it. And this time I've ordered it with a car. But that's for later. Let's see what's in the box. Of course, we have a very nice little tree. I also ordered the figures that come with it. And here we have it. It's in a very nice box. The description. So I'm going to need also for the electric part. I see this time it's with a battery. The one from the McDonald's is with a USB port, a micro USB port. Okay, here we have the front. I think it's like this. We got the LED lights here and I think we have to put this on top of it, like this, yes. Okay, what do we have more? Not sure what this is. Here we have the bottom. You see the Moreart logo, just like the one from a McDonald's. That is this piece. And here you can put the battery in. Here we have another piece. Seems like it broke off, so I have to use some glue, no problem. And then we have more. Here we have the rest of the diorama, piece of the street. So yes, I'm going to build it. See you later. Okay, small update on how it's going. We got the electric part here. Now trust me, I'm a complete noob with electric, but it's working and I'm going to show you how I did it. So the two red wire goes in here, both together, nice and warm. The gray and the black, they go in here also together. And then we got a black wire from the battery and a red wire. And it sounds very logical. The red goes into the one from the two red wires and the black goes in the one from the gray and the black wire. Then you need a battery. A battery that is also used for watches. I used a Duracell and I get a 35% discount. Can't leave it behind. Okay. Yes, then we have an off-on switch. So we're going to use that. Click. And yes, it's working. You don't see that very good on camera, but trust me, it is working. So, let's see. I'm going to build it and then you're going to see the result. See you in a sec. Another small update. We're almost finished. The only thing we have to do is peel this protection off. So I'm going to do that with all of them and then the diorama is almost finished. Back in a sec. So the diorama is finished and it is very nice. I'm really happy, but there's one more thing I have to do. I have to add the figures and the car. So we're going to take a look at the car. First, I'm going to open the package. I'm not sure this diorama is still available including the car. But of course I will put a link in the description of where to buy. Then you can see it for yourself. Here we have the package. Freeze the image if you want to read it. 1/64 scale. That's the back. Okay, let's not wait any longer. See, the car comes in a nice display. Get some screws, that's no problem. There it is. Alloy automobile model, Time Micro. I'm not sure if that is the brand, I have no idea. Let's put some light on. We can take a better look to the car. This car looks absolutely fantastic. I really like this car. Full deco. Toyota Trueno Apex Twin Cam 16. It says on the back Sprinter. Some details here. Not sure, I think it's a, yes. This is a metal base. Rubber tires. Exhaust pipe has another color, I like that. Okay, let's put it in the diorama. Oop. Like this. And then we're going to add the figures. Here we have one for sitting on the car. See if that is possible. Yes, that is possible. And then one here in the front. There it is. Oh, to put the light switch on. You can see it. Well, it's difficult to see, so I'm gonna wait till it's dark and then I do another shot. So that is the only thing we have to do, guys. So let's go to the time machine. So finally it's night and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the light on. So there we go. Wow, this is looking totally cool. I have to say, this is definitely a must-have. And like I said, I put a link in the description of where to buy. And not sure if the Toyota is still available in combination with the diorama. See how awesome this looks. The figures. This is perfect for a bookshelf or on your desk. Or just somewhere in the living room or maybe in the kitchen. And of course you can put your own cool car inside this diorama. And here I've got the one from the McDonald's, also with a light. This was my first Moreart diorama and I hope more Moreart dioramas are coming because I really like them. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. Have a nice evening. And I see you later. Bye.